So I'm just getting an idea of what silver would look like. This is actually engine enamel, which probably isn't the best to shoot with this because it has to get hot, but it's what I have, and I just thought I'd give it a silver look. It looks horrible right there, but it doesn't matter. It's going to be stripped off if we like the color and go with a whole nother. So anyway, the filming lady, who's the bike I'm painting it for, is making a yucky face of this, but it'll look a lot better, don't worry. This is just a test shot. I just want to see overall what a silver tank looks like. And again, it is the wrong paint to use, but we will give it a quick spray. Plus this tank was apparently painted with spray paint anyway, because when I ran the lacquer thinner on it, it peels it right off. So, and also when the gas spilled out of here when I was draining it, it just kind of melted it away. So it's not the right paint. This isn't the right paint, but I'm just gonna see what silver looks like, and then maybe we'll get a gray or whatever. So that's what we're doing. Ready? Look at her face. Okay, so I started the stripping process. Just use some aircraft stripper and yeah, paint it on, let it sit. It says 45 minutes or so. So we came across a flat black primer, and then we'll do like a whatchamacallit coat on it, like a matte finish coat. And I'm going to use Duplicolor, I believe, because it'll be easy enough to get rid of or have that semi car paint. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Let that stuff bubble up. It's starting to come off a little bit. Plus I applied like 4 different coats of paint on it. So we'll see what all comes off. While I was sanding away, or actually getting ready to strip this thing, I started stripping it, started scraping away some paint, and I came across this cool old 70s probably chick riding a horse, or a Pegasus I guess, and then a couple moons, and it looks like she's flying over maybe another planet. I'm kind of getting rid of their old clear coat, and it looks like the clear coat they put on it had a bunch of metal flake in it, which is kind of coming off with this old clear coat. But somebody just painted right over it, and there's been probably 3 or 4 different layers. So yeah, it's like a archaeological dig here, but kind of cool. Typical 70s. So you can see a little bit, I guess that is our planet. Maybe she's flying over planet Earth. Yeah. Look at that, more details coming out. Clean as I can get that. But if you look over here, I think it says D-A-V-E the second, or Davel. At first I thought it was the Belgian beer Duval, but it'd be D-U-V-A-L. So I don't know if that's somebody's name.
Is there something inside that?
It looks like it's the D, like the connection. But D-A, right? Looks like Dave, though. Dave the second rode this sucker.
More surprises.
And yeah, there's this hot, maybe that was his wife.
Oh, you have it over here too.
Yeah, it's on both sides. I'm looking to see if anything was on the back, but I don't think there's anything back here. It doesn't look like it. Yeah, but anyway, nothing on the sides. But that's it. The sweet lady, Dave, to whatever.